Welcome to the first aid class at Angel Institute of Education. Today, our students are taking part in an essential learning experience, developing the knowledge, skills, and confidence to save lives. First aid is more than just a qualification, it's a life skill that empowers individuals to act calmly and effectively in emergencies. Under the supervision of our highly experienced trainers, every learner is guided step by step through real-world scenarios. These sessions are interactive, engaging, and hands-on, allowing students to practice techniques that could one day make all the difference. Our training rooms simulate real environments, helping learners understand how to respond quickly and responsibly in any situation, at work, at home, or in the community. At Angel Institute of Education, we believe true education is not just about knowledge, it's about care, compassion, and confidence in action. We prepare our students not only for the workplace, but for life itself. Because helping people, when it matters most, is what true education is all about. At Angel Institute, we don't just teach, we prepare you to act when it matters most.